Hello everyone and welcome to CodeHQ. In this tutorial, we will learn how to validate the text field in Flutter. I have two text fields, one for a name and one for email. To start the validation process, I'm gonna first of all wrap my text field with a form. Let's also use a key. I'm gonna name it form key. Let's define our key here. First of all, I want to validate my name text field. For that purpose, we have a property called validator. This property gives us our input. I'm gonna call it name. If length of my name is less than 3 characters, I'm gonna give an error message. Otherwise, I'm gonna return null, meaning that we don't have an error. I also want to validate my email text field, and for that purpose, let's go inside the email text field. Inside the validator property, I'm gonna create a method called validate email. Let's define our method here. This is called validate email. For this purpose, I'm gonna use a regular expression. If our regular expression matches our email, I'm gonna say our email is valid. So, first of all, we check if our email is not valid. We return an error message. Otherwise, we return null. And as the last step, we need to call our validation. For that purpose, we're using our form key and say form key.current state, and then we call our validate method. Let's say save. And now if we click submit button, you see that we have errors. So let's also fill with info. And now that we have written valid info, if we click on the submit button, the errors are gone. We can also use auto validate so that we don't need to click on any buttons and our form is validated automatically. For that purpose, let's use auto validate mode and set it to auto validate mode dot on user interaction. Let's also copy it for the email text field. And now if we hit save, if I clear my name text field now, you see that the text field shows an error message.